Got a beautiful area through the pine trees. Smells like pine needles because the sun's shining on them. Coming up to the top. The wind is gonna blow my hat off. Whew. Here comes the wind. Oh, look at the view. Woo! There is the valley and the farms. Woo! This is Center Point Knob. There's a pack here. It's interesting. Welcome to the Cumberland Valley. For the next 17 miles, are maintained by the Cumberland Valley Appalachian Trail Club. Woo. So we're up here where we have a decent look back through the trees at where we came from 2 hiking days ago. Back, that furthest mountain is back by Route 30, I guess, or maybe, I think we can see that far. And then there's some high point rocks up there. And on we go. I believe that there's a trail book coming up. And then we're 3.2 from town. We're hoping if we average 3.2 miles per hour, we'd get there about 12:30 and be able to have a hamburger either at the tavern or at there's a pizza place too. It might be more than pizza. Go ahead and sign the log, Jonathan.
I think it's full.
Oh, it's full?
Yeah.
Okay. Phew. This guy hiked by us this morning. He was running the other direction, so maybe he ran to town, now he's running back.